How to know channel is monetized? Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So this is a full guide on how to show you guys how you can find out if a channel that you do not own is actually in fact monetized, or if your own channel is monetized. So first, I'll just show you guys real quick how to know if someone's channel is monetized. So I can go over here on this, basically my own channel. And what you can do is right click anywhere on the page. And what you can do is click on view page source. That's pretty cool because this will open up the source. Now this is actually lots of text, but what you can do is you can search for specific words. So if you click Control F on your keyboard or Command F on Mac, then you can type for monetized, and here you get is monetization enabled, value true. Now true means that this channel is in fact monetized. Now the cool thing is that if I try this on this channel, this is just a random channel. If I then do control view page source, then Control F, do monetized, then you can see is monetization enabled, value false. So that is exactly how you can see if a channel is monetized. Now, this is already a way to check if your own channel is monetized or not, because you can just check if the value is false or not. But the better way to just check it out is if you just go to the YouTube Studio, and then if you go to the Earn section, here you can see Become a Partner, which means I'm not a partner yet. And here it says, how do I join? And you need to meet these specific requirements and complete the basics, and then you are actually monetized. Now, if you are monetized, then the earn page will now transform into this, which means that I am actually monetized. So that is how to know channel is monetized. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.